This is a manually controlled universal rotary dimmer of both leading edge and trailing edge. 150 watt load for leading edge and 300 watt load for trailing edge. There is the over-temperature, over-current, and overload protection on the dimmer, CE certified. Now we're gonna introduce the wiring and the dimming performance. Let's take a look at the product itself. There is a rotary knob for dimming controller, a micro switch for minimum brightness setting, a switch key to switch the leading edge or trailing edge mode, 4 terminals to connect the load and lives. This rotary dimmer works without neutral wire. The first 2 are connected to the load, and the last 2 are connected to the live supply. Now, we test the dimmer at the leading edge mode. Press the knob once to turn on the light, rotate it to dim down, and dim up, turn off it. Switch it to the trailing edge mode. Press the knob once to turn on the lamp and rotate it to dim the brightness you want, and turn off it